read this old proverb one time when I was incarcerated that says, a woman that is without discretion is like a pig with a diamond ring inside of his snout. And I used to wonder, like, what did that mean? You know, it sound cool. You know what I mean? I'm like, what do it mean, though? Now I get it. A woman that's attractive, but she don't have no discernment. She don't have no guidance. Um, she don't have that drive behind her to make her man um, be stronger and be a stronger leader or a king. She's worthless just because she's pretty and she can't have your back or don't get your back or can't help you out in the situation. She's worthless. Just like a diamond in a pig's nose. Why would you put a diamond in a pig's nose? It's just gonna jump in the slop, play in the mud. That's what it's gonna do. So sometimes we get caught up in looking for women that looks good, that's so attracted to our eyes. Like, oh my goodness, she's just so gorgeous. But she ain't about shit. So there's plenty women out here that's gorgeous and about something. But it's a lot of them that are just gorgeous and ain't about shit. So when you picking, take your time, be wise, and be patient, and don't let your eyes deceive you. Hog on.